We're FindLaw, the most visited legal information website in the U.S. Millions rely on us to get free legal information, find an attorney, and create do-it-yourself legal forms. Through FindLaw's legal forms and services, we provide do-it-yourself legal documents that are accurate, affordable, and understandable for everyone. You'll find a last will and testament to designate your property distribution, guardian for minor children, and caretaker for your pets. A financial power of attorney to appoint someone you trust to manage your finances if you're unable. And a healthcare directive and living will to make your healthcare instructions clear. Using our forms is quick and easy. First, select the form you'd like to create, choose your state, and customize your forms by answering important questions. It typically takes less than an hour. Then, purchase, download, print, and finalize your forms using the clear, state-specific directions provided. FindLaw's legal forms and services is convenient, accessible, and reliable. Get started today.